Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about how can use that AngularJS library, either head and start of the body. Here div tag ng app is a main tag, my app, and next one is a ng controller, my control. First name and last name. I am concatenate with the two names. I am binding the two names in the first name and last name. So what is a part of script? Is a I'm going to create one controller app.controller my control and function scope. Scope dot first name equal to John, second name is equal to Doi. I'm going to run the code. What will happen? See here, John and Toy. It's a recommended head and body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support me.